Hey guys, so today we're going to be showing you how to plant spinach from the comfort of your home. Hope you guys enjoy this video and please make sure to subscribe, like and please share this video. Thank you. As you can see guys, we are actually planting recycled plastic places such as this. Before it's too late, we need to start recycling and use eco-safe products. But for now, what we can do is not throw the plastic away, but rather recycle it and make sure it has longer life. We have actually decided to promote a guy that does organic fertilizer. It is actually the best fertilizer, guys, and he's actually someone from Kenya, and he's doing a really good job by also helping stop global warming and climate change and make Kenya a better place for all of us. Hey guys, so it's week 4 of us growing our spinach, and just wanted to talk about how we've been able to recycle even when we were growing our things. Yeah, right now on this side we were able to recycle plastic paint containers. And over here we were able to recycle plastic bags. And also we used organic fertilizer, that's recycling our organic waste, and it has worked really well for us, guys. We really appreciate your support and your help in this. And guys, remember,